gotten straight away to using this thing and ditched the Miata as a daily. This is the better one.
What's up? My name's Johnny Tsunami. I make TikToks on my phone.
So I bought a new vehicle. I bought a 1995 Chevy Suburban, which I've always wanted, and I needed to build myself a tow rig, and it's really nice, really clean. Here we are, pretty much illegally parked in front of the Queen Mary, so Kyle could take some photos of it.
I wouldn't admit to the legality.
It's legal. There's
Yeah,
cops over there, they're not bothered by it, but look at this backdrop and look at this beautiful machine. I've been looking for a Suburban like this. I wanted a square body for a little while. It is everything I wanted. It's a 95, it's a V8, 5.7 liter, 100,000 miles. Not a scratch on it, not a dent. Paint's in perfect condition. The interior doesn't even look like it's ever been sat in. Really clean. Absolutely thrilled with how it looks. This is gonna be my new tow vehicle.
It's upsettingly cheap. I can't believe what Dan got for this thing.
I paid 4,500 bucks for this thing, which is kind of a lot. It is phenomenal. It even smells nice in here, which is kind of rare for an old ass vehicle. Cup holders for days. Here's something I've never seen before. Aftermarket head unit, but I've never seen a cassette deck aftermarket. This is pretty wild. I'll have to replace that. There's a clock here for no reason. That's gonna go away. But also got some goodies here. It's free Pokemon cards. I'm really, really pumped with this. I'm gonna start with wheels and suspension, and then probably eventually doing a 6-liter swap just to make it a little bit more efficient, and also gotta have a little more power. Maybe I'll put a cam in it, that stuff. But really, this is just my tow vehicle. And what I wanna do with this is build out the back so I can sleep in it at the track and you know, bring everything that I need, tow my vehicle, sleep at the track, and have the ultimate tow rig. So this is exactly what I want. This is the family vacation mobile that I remember, and it's just really pristine. Look at this, just look at it.
Stop saying illegal.
Big, cushy, lovely vehicle. Feels like I'm sitting on a couch. I got air conditioning, got all the amenities I need. Feel good about it. I should pay attention and drive. I'm gonna do that.